Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. So excited. I absolutely love my cup. Okay, that's not the focus of this. This is a candle unboxing. That's really good. Okay, so my friend Burning Wick Candles, her name is Tatiana, but the company is called Burning Wick Candle Company, and it is a what is it called? It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Okay, she's a small business owner. Small business owner is what I was trying to say. I don't know if that's going to be backwards or not. Burning Wick Candle Co. And she's based out of Ohio because that's where she lives. They are hand poured soy candles. They are clean burning. I'm so excited. This is a sample of lemon cookies. Ooh, okay, let's try this. I love candles. I love my house to smell good, and so yeah, I'm addicted. Ooh, wow, to her candles. Oh, that smells so good. That smells just like a lemon cream cookie. Ooh, wow, I really like that. She keeps sending me samples, and then I go and order this. It's ridiculous. It's a conspiracy against my bank account. The first thing in the box is the cocoa lime, which is, she sent me a sample of this with my last order. And it smells so good. It smells so good. I mean, there's nothing to see. You can't smell it. But it's a coconut and lime and hand-poured soy wax. This is a 4-ounce jar. They're clean burning. There's no soot in the air when you burn them. It's amazing. It's awesome. This one is called Vibes. And I told myself that I would open up her website so I could read you the description before I started the video. Yeah, I didn't do that. So let's go ahead and open it up really quickly. This one smells. I just kind of hit my lip on the thing, but this smells really good. Okay, I'm gonna pause while I get her video, or while I get her website pulled up. Hold up. Okay, so cocoa lime is just what it says: fresh lemon, sweet coconut, and lime and orange essential oils combined to create this fun, bright scent. And what is this one? Vibes. I had to do it in alphabetical order because, yeah, it'd take me forever. Vibes. This is also the 4-ounce jar. This is bright notes of fresh lemon, the natural refreshing scent of lemongrass, and a hint of vanilla. It smells so good. Like, I don't know what her ratio is, but it smells really good. Really good. Another 4-ounce jar of that. Those two are new purchases. I haven't tried those before. This is Seaside. Oh, this is also new. Seaside. Oh, let's go back. Seaside is, one more time. Ooh, oh, I smell this already. I'm not even, I cannot wait to burn this. I might burn this today. Sea salt mixes with amber and vanilla to create this airy, sweet, and salty oceanic scent. It smells like being at the beach. Like, literally. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love her candles. Can you tell? Did you know? Did you realize? Seaside, again, I did order 2 of those just because of the description. It sounded so good. And I love being at the beach and I'm smelling the ocean. So cocoa lime, I ordered 2 of those too because it smells so good. I'm an addict, I'm telling you. Blood orange. This is a restock. I purchased this last time and I already burned it up. I already finished burning it. It smells like a blood orange, like literally like the orange of the blood of the orange is in this candle. It smells so good. So good. And really it's just, did I do it alphabetically? Okay. I didn't. Did I do that alphabetically? How did I skip blood orange? Okay, well, it smells like a blood orange. I don't know how to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Oh, okay. I didn't do that right at all. Okay. Blood orange has top notes of grapefruit and bergamot fused with green and earthy undertones and oranges. mean, I know she's my friend and all, but her candle smells so good. Oh my God. This is my second giant purchase. So you know, if they didn't smell good, I wouldn't be spending my ducats on this. This is another one of him. Him smells like a very well-dressed man. Ah, it smells like fine wood fragrances of mahogany and teak wood with hints of lavender and geranium. I don't know the ratio, but it smells amazing. It smells like a well-dressed man. I mean, that's all I can say. That's all. These are all 4-ounce jars because I wanted to get a bunch. Summer Breeze. Oh, yes. Okay, let me get to that page. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm not even. Oh my God. The hardest part is to know which one to burn first. I just got off work. You know, I'm a little giddy when I get off work, and I'm excited because I have another box to unbox. I did put on some concealer and some lip gloss so I wouldn't look like I was dead because I feel like I'm dead sometimes. Sweet coconut, fresh leaves, lemon, and eucalyptus create this smooth blend that reminds you of a calming bamboo forest. This smells so good. I don't even know what else to say. They smell amazing. Summer Breeze is, oh, I'm gonna have to order a big one of these next time. I still have some of the other ones. Like, I feel like I'm saving them, but I'm still burning the heck out of them. Like, I can't even deal. Relax. Okay, so mostly I ordered new scents. Him is a restock, but Relax, but everything else is new because I wanted to try all of them, which I'm doing. Sorry, I just noticed that. Wow. Okay, Relax it has mint in it, I think. It smells like, this is going to be in my bedroom because, you know, everyone needs to relax in there. That's just, it needs to be a calming, relaxing place. Okay, the aroma of earthy eucalyptus, I was close, blends with refreshing mint, to create this relaxing scent. So it does have mint. Eucalyptus and mint, I can't even. You are awesome. I love it. All 4-ounce jars. I just want to make sure I got everything. I don't have one giant jar left. And everything is packed with these little peanuts. And it's all safely secured. Nothing is dented or broken. She hand pours them. She hand labels them. Oh my gosh. And this is Lavender Vanilla. Because the last time I ordered, she didn't have the giant one in Lavender Vanilla. This is the 10-ounce. She didn't have it. She was sold out. So when I reordered, I got this one in the big one because it smells so good. It just, I mean, just straight up lavender and vanilla. It's not convoluted by anything. It's not, you know, it just smells like exactly what it sounds like the name. It just smells so good. Sweet, relaxing aroma of vanilla, sweet cream, and herbal lavender. I mean, the sweet cream gives it a little bit of its sweetness, a sweet scent to it to balance the two, but it smells amazing. Okay, yeah, so I spent some duck. So she and I have known each other for a long time, and I am now, I think I own stock. I have so many candles. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 is 8. I bought 10 candles. And I got a sample of another scent that I'm probably going to order the next time, this lemon cookie. I can't, what is she doing to me? Oh my gosh. They smell so good though. I need to move this out of the way. They smell so amazing. And the fact that they are clean burning, they're soy, they're handmade, they're hand labeled. She has designed her own little label. She designed her own little logo. She puts the ounces, approximate burn time, made in Euclid, Ohio, because that's where she is. And I am so excited for her, and I'm so happy for her, and I'm so happy that she does this because this is something that I love and that I can share with other people. And yeah, I'm all about it. So Sippy sip. My next box unboxing, same clothes, same hair, same makeup. Thank you for watching. If you have not checked out her website is burningwickcandleco.com. And I'm trying to make sure that I don't show you my address, but I'm going to show you the website. And it is just, am I even showing it to you? I just completely covered the camera. Again, it's 5 o'clock in the morning, 5:17. Yeah, burningwickcandleco.com, based out of Ohio. She ships really quickly. I ordered it, and she literally had shipped it within an hour. Now, it was at home, postage, shipping, whatever, and they're packaged really well, so they have to go and get it or whatever. I don't know how it works, but it's priority mail. Came to me. My office was closed, so they had to wait till the next business day. But yeah, I was so looking for this package on Saturday. Thank you, Tatiana. I really appreciate it. This is not a sponsored video. I did pay for these with all of my own little dollars, and I will continue to do so. I will continue to support small businesses and things that I love and believe in, and I love and believe in candles, and I am so, so grateful that someone that I know does such an amazing job making them, and with such care and commitment and high quality. So thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Peace.